Hi everyone! Today I'm going to teach you how to make chicken birria tacos. These tacos were really good, so let's get started. First, I took all the seeds out of my chiles. Use chile ancho, chile de arbol y chile serrano. In a bowl, I combined salt, pepper, paprika, cayenne pepper, cumin, cilantro, garlic powder, cinnamon powder, and ginger. In a pot with hot oil, I added all my chiles and one whole onion with a little bit of garlic. I let everything fry a little bit and then I added in my seasonings. I also added my chicken and I let everything boil. Then I blended my chiles and onion along with some tomato sauce in a blender and I added the mixture back into the pot. When my chicken was tender, I added it to a large bowl and I shredded it. You can also use something like a food processor or a cake mixer in order to shred your chicken. Once my chicken was shredded, I added it back into the pot and I let it boil. Next, I dipped my taco into the broth and I fried it. This part can get a little bit messy. I let my tortilla fry a little bit and then I added my shredded chicken and a little bit of cheese. By the way, in this video I used mozzarella cheese since I didn't have the traditional oaxaca cheese. Next, I flip my taco over so the other side can get crispy, and I repeated this step with all of my tacos. And you're done. Hope you enjoy this recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye.